If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 60 Fusion has split screen option, then the answer is yes, and we have two ways to activate split screen. The first method is to open two apps that you wish to use in the split screen. There we go, and after that we can go to the background apps, tap on the app icon of the first app that you wish to open in the split screen, and then you should be able to find that option, and then select the second app that you wish to open in the split screen. And there we go, this is how it looks like. Of course we can adjust the sizes and so on. And the second method that allows you to activate split screen is the swipe to split screen gesture, but first we need to make sure that it is activated. So we're gonna go to the gestures, and now over here choose swipe to split, and there we go. Over here we can turn it on or off. You can also try it out in order to learn the gesture. So we need to swipe to the right and then to the left, like this. So as an example, we're gonna go to the YouTube app, we're gonna perform the gesture. Let's try again. Sometimes we need to get used to it, but there we go, it works. And then we can select the second app that we wish to open in the split screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!